Hey guys, what's up? This side Prem and you are watching my channel Digital Prem. So guys, this video is about on-page SEO. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you everything about on-page SEO. What is on-page SEO? Why is it important? And what all tools are included in on-page SEO? And what are the benefits of on-page SEO? So first we understand what is on-page SEO. So guys, on-page SEO is a process or doing practice of optimizing your web page's content for search engines like Google or other search engines and for the user for better user experience. So guys, some on-page SEO practice include like optimizing your title text, description, internal links and URLs. So you have to work on these things so that you can optimize your web pages for Google search results and for better use. So guys, now we understand why is it important using on-page SEO for your website. So guys, Google have already mentioned in their in their algorithm, it prefers all those websites which have included all those keywords which are searched by user on Google. So if your page are relevant and they are using all those keywords which people are searching for, and if you are providing answer for their specific query, that means your pages are relevant and Google will prefer your pages and it will help your pages to rank on Google search results. So guys, you have to include all those keywords few times in your content, and you have to write content around that keyword, and you but you don't need to do keyword stuffing in your content, otherwise it will create bad impact on Google. You have to naturally use few times that keywords in your content so that it will help Google to promote your content. So guys, if you really want to rank on Google, so you have to optimize your content not just for optimizing your title tags, description, internal links and URLs. You have to work on for better user experience. So you have to optimize your content for bounce rate, click through rate, for better search intent. So you have to work on this element if you really want to rank on Google search results. So guys, now we understand how you will optimize your content. So guys, for that you need to write your main target keyword once in 50 to 100 words. So in starting, you have to put your keyword because Google put more weights on that keyword which comes early on your page. So that's why you need to write your main target keyword in early of your page so that Google understand what is your page is all about. So now we see how does it work. For that, I will go to my WordPress post. So here I will tell you by example. Let's suppose I just take a topic of my main keyword like digital marketing. So I will type my main keyword here. So you have to write your main keyword in your title. So this is our title because it will show on Google search results because it is my post title. So I have to use my main keyword in my title as well, just like I'm using here. So you have to mention like that. So you have to mention your title, your main keyword in your title, just like here I have mentioned digital marketing, and then you have to write your main keyword in your introduction. this is this is the ultimate guide of digital marketing. So in your introduction, you have to write your main keyword so that Google understand about your topic. So here, so you can see here, I have just write my title. Then my main keyword in introduction part. Here you can see in digital marketing. I have mentioned here as well. So in starting in 50 to 100 words, in in one time you have to use your main target keywords. Just like that, I have used. You can see here digital marketing. So one time you have to use in your title. Here you can see, and then you need to start with in your introduction. In just very quick of your introduction, you have to use one more time your main keyword, and then you have to write content. And naturally, you can use few times wherever it is needed. So you have to use like that. And one more thing, you have to use your target keyword, your title tags in H1 tags. So guys, you have to put your blog post title in H1 tag because it will help to Google understand the structure of your web pages, same like your user experience about your web pages. So you have to put your blog post title in H1 tag. So here you can see this part is a title of this post. So in WordPress, it's automatically make this title in H1 tag. So if you are using any other platform, then you need to use H1 tag for your blog post title, and you have to put your title in H1 tag. And if we talk about in subheading, let's suppose this is subheading. So you have to put this subheading in H2. So you have to put this heading in H2. So here you can see. So you have to write your blog post main title in H1 tag, and if you're writing subheading, then you have to put that subheading in H2 tag. That will help to understand better structure of your page of page of to Google, and it will help to understand for better user experience as well. So guys, now we understand how keyword frequency, how many times you can use keywords on your blog post, on your content. So for that, guys, as I told you before, you don't need to use many times that keywords that will impact bad on Google, but you have to use few times naturally wherever it is needed. So you don't need to use many time, or you don't need to use just one or two times. So you have to use it naturally few times wherever it is needed. So for example, I will tell you here. So we go here. So here you can see one post, what is digital marketing. So here you can see they have used digital marketing keyword 41 times in 4316 word. So you have to do like that. So you have to use few times your target keyword on your content, on your blog post, so that Google can understand well about your page, what is about your page. So you have to write well, and using few times your keyword, you have to write a relevant useful content that will be helpful for your audience from Google perspective as well. So guys, now we understand about external links. to optimize your content. So guys, external link is also an important part of to optimizing your content. So guys, external links are those links which refer to our content. So guys, we use external links of other website to explore our content for better user experience, and it help Google to understand about to figure out our content topics, and Google understand that our web pages have quality information. So that's why we need to use external links in our content to explore our content for better user experience. So that's why we need to use external links. So here we can see the example. Let's suppose this piece of content we make it as an external link. So we just select and we just click on insert link, and we will copy one website link here, and we will just paste there. Here you can see I will paste here. So now you can see this is called external links, which is used to explore this content for better user experience. And we have used and we have referred this website for better user experience to explore our content. So it helps to Google as well to figure out about content, quality information about our web pages. So that's why you need to use external links for your content, for your blog post, so that Google understand your page is a quality information and your page is providing quality better user experience to your users. So that's why you need to use external links in every. So guys, now we understand you have to optimize URL of your blog post because Google now prefer those website who have short keyword link type URL over those who has large URL without any keyword or more words. So that's why you have to work on your to optimize your URL of your post. So it must be short. It must include a keyword plus few words you can use, but it must be short because Google give preference all those URL to optimize your content on Google search results. So that's why your URL must be short and include any keywords. So for example, we see this URL. So here you can see they are providing information about digital marketing, and you can see their URL. They have just used short plus keyword in their URL, digital marketing. So you have to write like that in your URL so that it can optimize on Google search results. So you have to write keyword plus short URL for your blog post. So guys, you have to work on all these things on page SEO if you really want to rank your pages, your post on Google search results. So here you can see, as I told you, you have to use keyword, your main target keyword in your title. Here you can see digital marketing, and you need to use it in starting as early as possible because it will help Google to understand your topic in your headlines. So you need to use it in starting of your title of your blog post, and you need to use tag modifier as well. Here you can see guide, you can use best, free, paid, checklist. That is also help to optimize your content on Google search results. And then you need to write is you need to write a subheading for every blog post. So you must write at least one subheading in your every blog post. So here you can see you can write this thing, and as I told you, you need to include external links that that will also help you to optimize your post And you need to write, as I told you, you need to write, you need to use SEO plugin as well. Like here you can see Yoast SEO I am using. So it will help to optimize your page on Google search result. So here it will just take your title which you have mentioned above. So you can see here title what we have written over, and here you need to write meta description. This is also an important part, guys. So you have to write well content with keyword in your meta description that can explain about your complete post. So you have to write well meta description for your post. You have to include keywords. It will help you to increase your click through rate, and it will help for better user experience as well. So that's why you need to write well optimized meta description with keyword that can help the user to understand well about your topics. So you have to write well, and as I told you, you have to write optimize url as well for your post. So you have to write short keyword rich url. So you have to work on these things. So if you work on these things, so definitely you will start to get the results. And now if we talk about the benefit of on page SEO, guys, if you do all this strategy in a right way, then definitely you will get the results, and it will help to drive more traffic over your website. You will get more conversion, you will get more leads, and it will help to generate more rate of investment. So all it will be done only if you work on over your content. If you write optimized content, if you work on your title, on your URL, on your meta description, and if you write well organized content, then definitely help to rank on Google search results. So it must be unique, it must be valuable content that can help the user, and the most important thing is it must fulfill the need of search intent of the user. If you write the content which will help the user, that means you will fulfill the need of your audience, and it will help to rank your website to get at the top on Google search results. So that's why it is very necessary to see all step on page SEO. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's meet in next video. Thanks for watching.